Hi buddies, welcome back. Today we will have a look on how we can look for a software update on our Apple Watch 9. For that we want to go to our settings, and here we want to go to general, and then we want to go to software update. Automatic updates are on, and we have a software update available, watchOS 10.1, and we can say download and install. To install the update, make sure Apple Watch is on a charger and connected to Wi-Fi. So now you can go ahead and say download and install that update. You always want to make sure that you're using the latest software update to make sure that everything is running smoothly. Also, that sometimes fixes some bugs in the background, so you want to be sure that you're using the latest software update just so that everything runs smoothly. So that's how you can check for software updates on your Apple Watch 9. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.